Good morning, students. Welcome to today's class. Student, in this video, I am going to show you how you can download or install Python on your Windows 10. So let's start the class. First of all, open your favorite browser and search for Python download. And the first link which will appear here will be www.python.org. We are going to click on that link, and once this link open, you will be able to see straight away download section here. Student, when you scroll down, also you will be able to see this download section here. At the time of making this video, Python 3.9.0 is the latest version of Python. So what I am going to do? I am going to just click on download tab here, and once I click on download tab, I see this button download 3.9.0. So I am going to just click on this button. We're just going to start download of Python 3.9.0 exe file. Students, exe file is downloaded. I am click on that file. First of all, and here you will be able to see the Python installer. Two options are here: install now, and also second option is customize installation. So by default you can see a Python will be installed this location, which is bit weird for me. So I always like to use customize installation, but before this you might also want to add a Python to environment variable, and for that you need like this checkbox. Here I leave everything default and click on next. Location change, the choice is your, you can name anything. Check an advanced option, and I am then click on install button. Now the next step I am going to click on yes here. Is going to start install Python on your Windows operating system. So the installation process is pretty straightforward. You just need to wait for the installation to complete, and after some time you can see this message: setup was successful. And I can see this warning also say disable path length limit. Student, I am just click on this option here, then click on yes, which is going to disable that option. And now our installation is finished. It takes several minutes to completion. स्टूडेंट, जैसे इंस्टॉलेशन कंप्लीट होता है, सो आई एम गोइंग टू क्लिक close button here. Welcome to second part of today's class, student. Once you have to install Python on your Windows operating system, when you click on your Windows menu, you will be able to see section, the Python module docs. You will be able to see the IDLE IDE, which comes with the Python installation. You will also see Python manuals, and when you expand this you will see Python terminal. So this is for our most important tool which are installed at the Python installation of your Windows operating system. Student, first of all start with IDLE IDE. Just click on IDLE, and once you click on IDLE option, you will be able to see this kind of window here. इसी विंडो पर हमारी प्रोग्रामिंग हम स्टार्ट करेंगे. सो प्लीज़ इंस्टॉल पाइथन ऑन योर कंप्यूटर सिस्टम. For example, a इज इक्वल्स टू 10, देन हमने a की वैल्यू प्रिंट करवा दी है. Then using print command, print in a small bracket, write A, then output will be 10. After that, type bracket A is equals to, means the data type of A is integer. For that we use type command. After that हम इस फाइल को .py एक्सटेंशन से सेव करेंगे. लोकेशन आप आपके अकॉर्डिंग अपने पीसी के अकॉर्डिंग दे सकते हैं. देन यहाँ पर मैंने फाइल का नाम दिया है फर्स्ट डॉट पी वाई. पी वाई इज़ द एक्सटेंशन ऑफ पाइथन प्रोग्राम. देन क्लिक ऑन सेव बटन. अगर ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्ट है तो ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्ट का मैसेज आएगा. देन यू चेंज द नेम ऑफ द फाइल. मैंने देन उसके बाद चेंज किया है सेकेंड डॉट पी वाई. जैसे हम सेकेंड डॉट पी वाई लिखते हैं एंड सेव करेंगे तो हमारे उस लोकेशन पे पी वाई या सेकेंड पी वाई नाम की फ़ाइल क्या हो जाएगी, क्रिएट हो जाएगी. एज यू कैन सी इन दिस पिक्चर, सेकेंड python file is created. So student, ready for the programming. That's all for today's class.